So week 4 starts in your book. If you look at the little light bulbs, it starts on page 42, and now we're moving on to more hands-on. So we're going to be thinking about prototyping. To get a prototype of our idea, we need to use a 3D printer to do that. We've gone from this sketch, and we're going to now go from something on a piece of paper, a drawing, into an actual product. Remember, when we're thinking about the colour though, think about that design challenge. Think about it being bright.
Rainbow glow in the dark.
Neon, like orangey and yellow or in the dark.
Thinking about sketching your ideas, because even though we've stopped, if we're going to develop the product,
Maybe we could make it different, like sizes for different shoe size.
so what we've covered today is we've looked at how we make our digital files, how we go from our ideas. So for next week, remember to think about how it fastens onto our shoe. Good, isn't it?